Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I will discuss about open source intelligence gathering tools that refer to any information that can legally be gathered from from free public sources about target or individual slash organization. So practically speaking, this means information that found on the internet uh, that fall into the category of OSINT, whether it is a books, report in a public library, articles in the newspaper, or statements in the press releases. All right. So without further ado, let me show you how these things works. Okay. I'm going to exit this so we can start from 0. So I'm gonna go click here, information gathering, and then OSINT, right? Where is this? Recon NG, right? We're gonna use Recon NG. On the Recon NG, if this is the first time, student need to update this program using sudo apt-get apt-get ampersand apt get install and then recon ng. Okay, I already did this command before I made this recording. So if you haven't done this, make sure that you run this so we can get the latest information. At this moment, I'm using version recon ng version 5.1.1. all right, so after you run this, we have to install the module. Do you see this? We have like many modules. Let me see. Marketplace search, right? I will run the command marketplace search. Here we go. These are some of the modules that I already installed. I will show you in a minute how to install all of this. You can install this manually one by one, or you can install this all together, right? So let me show you how to install this module. Okay, so recon ng will not work if you don't have the modules to do the intelligent gathering. Okay, if you want to find which module are installed and are not, so use this market search research command. All right. There is another useful tools that you need to use. It's called help, right? Help. So this will give you information in case we get stuck on the recon ng argument. All right. So how we install this one? I have a cheat sheet here, which is I'm going to provide you in the Blackboard. If you notice that I have this one called marketplace install all, right? Install all the module. Since we are using version 5, the command is marketplace install all. In version 4, they don't have it. All right. So you're going to run this command what is this? Where is it? We're going to run this command marketplace install all. All right, marketplace install all. Okay, this way we install all the module. Okay, as I mentioned to you also earlier, I already installed this module, so I just show to the student how to install all the modules. So this is the second step that you need to do. All right. If you want to do it individually, if you want to install individually, these are some of the commands. All right, let me show it to you. If you want to install individually, here is the command. Okay, here is called marketplace install, and then the name of the module. Okay, if the module name hacker target, then you put market install hacker target. After you install the module, you have to load it. This is how you load it. Modules load hackers target. Then we are ready to use, right? So show option, it will show you the module that is already installed. Remember, marketplace install, and then this is the module name, all right? And you need to load this, right? You need to load the module, okay? So this is how to install the module individually, okay? And to run, okay, I think that's all for the moment, right? Again, since I show you how to install all the module at once, this is simplify all the process, all right? This is version 5 and this is version 4. We are using version 5. Okay, so the next thing, after we install all the module, we're gonna use some of this module, okay? So I'm gonna give you an example here. I give you some exercise because student gonna do intelligent gathering. I have this information in the blackboard. So today we're gonna do this, right? Search for the domain for contact information. All right, so how are we going to do this? The first thing, we need to create a workspace, okay? So once we log into this, we're gonna create a workspace. So we're gonna have a workspaces, okay? Search, right? No, workspaces create, you see that? And then we're gonna name this workspace called pen test, right? Pen test. So here we go. Oh, I have a typo, so we need to be careful here, right? This is case sensitive also. Workspaces create pen test. As you notice there, if I have a typo, the program gonna make a correction here, right? Enter, boom, there we go, right? These are, when I get this notification, because some of this you need to pay, dependency require. Well, I just gonna use the basic one of them, right? Because some of this module you need to have API, application programming interface. That's for a premium membership. At this moment, we just want to install the basic, so student are familiar with the program. So after we enter that, let's do the contact information here, right? Let me show it to you, this one. So we're gonna search the domain contact information. So this is the command, right? Where is it? This one. I'm gonna minimize this, right? So I can see it. Let me see if I can minimize like this. Okay. I'm gonna type use recon /domain /contact /who is _ point of contact, right? Then enter. Well, I have a typo here. Let me find out what's the problem here. Let me pause this one, okay? Let me pause. Let me see. Okay, the command is this one, modules load. Modules load, and then the name of the module. Okay, we do not use the use command anymore in version 5. So modules load, and then the name of the module. After that, we specify the domain that we want to have. In this case, is option set source comtia.org. So if you want to do intelligent gathering to abc.org, then you replace this. You replace this target with abc.org. All right. Remember, this is a publicly information that we obtain. It's nothing that is private or confidential. Thank you. I just want to make that correction. All right. Apparently, I make a little mistake on this. So, as you can see that I have to run this one. Options, set, and source without S. Okay. CompTIA. We specify the domain that we want to do intelligent gathering, right? So here, option set source CompTIA, and then it will show you the source. And then I click run, right? When I run this, it show you all the contact info here. I found there are 4 of them, right? For example, on the top, right? The administrator.comptia, the contact is administrator, and we don't have, is located in Illinois, because some of them, they don't want to disclose the name, right? But here we saw the name, right? Who is Arin? The contact info, the email address is Robert Rohman, right? Located in Downers Grove, Illinois. That's the contact person, and we find the email address. Let me see another one, right? What else we need to gather? Let me see you another one. So once student find this information, you may need to do snipping, right? Because we need to collect this information using snipping, right? For documentation. We're gonna try this. And then we have to do snipping like that. Where is this? Here, right? Snipping. Try new one. New one, and then we will do like that. That's how the student gonna put the documentation. So this is one of the example that we do to do intelligent gathering using OSINT, right? Let's do another one so students have another example. Okay. Let's identify, because in this paper that student will do, I give you information about identify the organization's social media presence, right? So the comment is in here, right? So let's do this. We're gonna do modules load. Remember, we're gonna use modules load, recon /profile dash profile, okay, /profiler. There we go, right? Then we're gonna use option set source CompTIA.org. There we go. Invalid command. I think I have a typo here. Option, we need to use S. So we need to be careful when we read this, okay? Remember here, options, set source, and the query. And then enter. There we go. Then we're going to run. Okay, this may take a few minutes, so be patient. Here we go. Now we find all the information. All right. While the social media presence is being gathered, I just want to show you that in this exercise, student will gather some of the information. All right. So I give you this handout. Okay. I think there are 5 pages. So make sure student documented some of this. Okay. Documented on this. Okay. If you want to run some of this command, for example, but you don't have the module, you need to install that manually. Right? So here, let's see. Hopefully we can find it. All right, so there are two total profile files. So if I go to if I scroll it up, notice that the green one here. Let me show it to you. Here, where is it? No? We find here, right? We find here Microsoft Telnet community here, right? We find it. Usually they give you like a green pictures there. It's a green color. I don't know why they don't put it now. We have find out here in OpenStreetMap user CompTIA, right? Okay. Usually they have a green, but this time they don't give it to us, right? So, all right then. So here you find in these two, right? One from the archive.org, and then we find from here we go, right? From my feed from OpenStreetMap. There are 2 of this, right? Perhaps we can run again if we can find another one. Okay. I don't know why they don't give you a green. So make sure you take a snapshot of this so student can get the information of this. So, well, hopefully that this video tutorial helps student how to do OSINT, because this is the first thing that we are going to do. For the purpose of our lab exercise, we can do targetcomtia.org, or if you prefer to do other company is okay too. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.